Our he or she don't finally met a soulmate. What am I talking about? It's Bobo Risky. Now she I dey talk about. Now remember say some days ago, weeks ago, when she celebrate her birthday, she even talk and say she na my people make one no mind me whether na she or he anyone as I talk am make una yourself free download am small because she don already talk and say na people wey get swell up pocket na she wan go after and the birthday wey she celebrate some weeks ago abi some days ago something like that she talk and say na people wey their pocket carry na dem go dey there and the day of the birthday wey she celebrate her birthday na true she don come out and analyse say she don already find her soulmate. Bobo your own matter that giant of Africa the matter of giant of Africa Naija and compare with your own e be like say Naija dey learn for your hand. Only you one and she come out come explain how she met her soulmate but the video if una wan see the video una go her ID page una go see the video for there. Una know say people wey dey already follow me I don dey love to carry person video put for this my platform because of one thing or the other. I just see her talk am narrate am download am but I will just if una wan see the video I just tell una where una go go. She come out come explain how she take met the guy and everything where the something is that Bobrisky abi Bobo your matter because all your matter na just story update because that guy when you say you meet for Ikeji blog say na there una for meet because for me I no say this one I go meet for there because number one that one no be your page. How una come take meet for there? Make we just leave that one aside because as I talk before her own case im own case her own fight e long well no be small thing. You even talk say the guy dey shout you on your own page on your ID say na so the guy dey use fake account come dey shout you this and that. He come tell am say make he review him face. The guy pay 20 say her first time wey she dey receive 20 million because say her soulmate put 20 million put for her account wey he put am she no really believe. She come say okay make the two of them do video before she come really believe say yes person like that put money for her account. Bobrisky, how many times I call you? First of all, the guy you need to bring am come out. Number two, that that alert wey you receive you need to bring the screenshot of it come out. And for me I no believe say Naija born person wey he don already know say Bobrisky na meta na half whether na he or she I no know wetin I go call her or him. I no know my people make one no vex because Bobrisky you no fit turn my brain because me I no know how me wan take call your name now whether na she or he. Well my people anyhow I talk something whether na she or he I don already know the kind of person wey she or he anyone wey she be or But our own matter full ground because anything wey she dey talk for me, person like me, I no dey too much dey believe because she na person wey full of story. If you wan hear any story, any latest gist, wetin dey go on, just sofri dey go meet her. She go just dey download the message, her own message one by one, because me myself wey dey talk this thing to una, me I no even know whether the story na legit or she just still put am to get more trendy story, because she na person wey her own matter na so story na dey full am. Well, my people, me I still congratulate her if na true the something na real or not be real. For me I no believe say the something say e just meant her soulmate. Me I no believe that one, say because Bobrisky she just wan bring her own topic come and wey people dey talk. She herself know say once she talk something like that, people blogger not blogger, they go blog everything. For me na make her talk that kind thing. Say for me I no believe say, no be say I no believe say guy, boy or girl no fit date her or I know something like that, because she na fine lady or he na fine. No, she dey okay as a lady like this. I wish maybe she no fair bring identity before. If person like me even see her, this is a lady like me, but she don already bring her own identity come out years back. Now people even dey doubt whether na real boy abi na girl. But me and you know say she na boy or he na boy. Yes, no we put am like that. Just sofri make you, whether na man you wan put am or na woman you wan put am, just sofri divide am like that. But for me na she, because na she, because oh well, my people, if you want to see the video of her, how she narrate how she met her soulmate, just sofri go her ID page. She explain everything there, how she met her boyfriend, her soulmate. I pray that the something work hard for them and they bond, the two of them. May God still join them together as husband and wife, make them bond, so that we still dey here, we will still congratulate them. Because me I know say if she don still bond, she will still put am for social media, because she na that kind of person say anything wey she buy, she dey always like to sample herself. And we still dey here, we still dey follow and dey go, we still dey follow anything wey she bring come out, we will still dey there, we will still put mouth. As far as if she no put am for Facebook, me official, me I no go put mouth. If she suffer, keep am for her own herself, that one no be problem. But if she carry am come out, me I go talk, I go put my mouth. Well, my people, if you want to see the real video, how she explain how she met her boyfriend, just go to her page, and then the video is there, how she was so happy that finally that she have met her boyfriend or soulmate. And then because now wetin she herself dey pray for so many years, because she first talk am say all those small wey their pocket no so say they already dey dim am for Instagram. Now na God don finally bless her heart desire, come bring my way e pocket swallow. For me, as I talk before, till wey she go bring the man out, bring the pictures. Now so that time I will believe, and not be just to bring am. I will say yes, this two no be picture wey they will join together. I will always say and say yes, this one na real boyfriend and girlfriend, before I go believe wetin she herself just talk. Well, my people, what do you think about this her new boyfriend, this her billionaire boyfriend? Because you know say she na person wey she love money. Everybody know that one. She dey always talk and say before she come meet this her boyfriend, say she first dey talk and say she no dey go for all those small level. Na all those big on top na she dey go for, and finally she don see the big fish catch. Well, that is it, my people. What do you think about this video? Leave your comment in the comment section. Bye.